कितें आहा गोंयकारांचो पर्स्पेक्टीव ऑन टू सिंपल येट व्हेरी सिग्निफिकंट क्वेश्चन. आनी पयलो प्रश्न जो आसा इज अबाउट द परफॉर्मन्स ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट, की गोंयकार ह्या सरकाराच्या परफॉर्मन्सा विशीं कितें म्हणटा तो ग्राफ पळोवया आनीक आमी मुखार या. सगळ्यात पयलीं जो ग्राफ दिसता दिस इज द थिंग परफॉर्मन्स ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट. गुड इज 46.9%, very good is 13.1%, bad is 29.1%, worst is 10.4% आणि NA is 0.4%. कितल्या लोकांक सरकारा भितर बदल जाय? हाऊ मेनी पीपल वॉन्ट चेंज इन गव्हर्मेंट? शुड देर बी अ चेंज इन द करंट गव्हर्मेंट? 64% people say yes, 35% people say no, and 1% people still undecided. First data point is regarding are they happy, and where almost more than 60% of the people are saying that they are happy with the performance of the government. But तेच figure जे आसा ते how many of you want change in government म्हणून विचारता आमी तेन्ना ते figure उलटी जाता. कित्या खातीर? How do you look at both these data points?
There is always this possibility that a person might feel that in a given situation, what the government has done is probably okay and perfect, and therefore they are happy. But that does not mean that they would want to go back and have the same people in the government again.
People want to see that government changing. That means there is a strong anti-incumbency factor या सरकाराक, anti-incumbency चे ग्रहण सरकाराक लागला.
Which probably means he's satisfied, but he wants greater satisfaction. I mean, otherwise, see, I will not agree that it is a matter of change of government of the same party.
परफॉर्मन्स सरकाराचे जेन्ना कोणाक विचारलें जाल्यार नॉर्मली एक कॉमन मॅन जो आसा तो सत्ताधारी पक्षाक दुखोवपाक प्रयत्न करचो ना. इन द सेम ब्रेथ मागीर सेकंड जो प्रश्न येता तुमकां हो सरकार फुडें जाय तेन्ना खरें भितरले अंतस्करणांतल्यान जें हें आसा तें भायर सरता.
For 13% very good आणि 46% जर good म्हणटा, I think this is something which is commendable.
Which are the top 5 issues? To put it in a very, to unjumble the data, what are the top 5 issues?
The top 5 issues are development, unemployment, rising prices, corruption, and COVID handling. The top 5 non-issues are private forests, CZMP, defections, communalism, and coal.
This data very accurately reflects my opinion of the people of Goa.
म्हणजे गोंयाक कितें जाय तें म्हाका पडिल्लें ना, आमकां कितें जाय तें म्हाका पडिल्लें ना, म्हाका कसो फायदो जातलो, म्हजो कसो बेनिफीट जातलो, म्हाका घरांत कितें हांव व्हरतलो ताचेर लोकांचें लक्ष आसा. आनी
म्हाका दिसता की जर आज ह्या सोशल इश्यूवांचेर जर आमी चिंतिना आनी इफ दे आर फावंड टू बी लिस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट जाल्यार फुडार बरो ना. इतलेंच म्हाका सांगपाचें आहा.
I think गोंयची जी पब्लीक आसा ती सुजाण आसा.
Who oppose this government effectively? And this is a very interesting graph. तुमकां पळयतकीर भयंकर कुफुसांव दिसतलें पण तशें ना.
तो ओपोजिशन म्हणून जो दबाव जो दबदबो काँग्रेसान दवरपाक जाय आशिल्लो तो ताणें दवरला. आपाचो जसो रँक आनी फायल जसो वाडटा आनी आपाचो जसो विरोधाचो आवाज जसो वाडटा तो मातसो काँग्रेसाक खंय तरी डॅमेजींग जावंक शकता. सो रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्स डेसिमिनेट जाल्ल्या भशेन दिसता ह्या सर्वे भितर. गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो आवाज दाबल्या भशेन दिसता आनी काँग्रेस इन स्पायट ऑफ रेड्युसिंग इज स्ट्रेंथ काँग्रेसाचो आवाज अजूनही लोकांक भावता.
As against this RG and ECOT, Goinso ECOT, they are not political parties as of now. So they are just organizations or societies. So I don't think people would take much note of them.
आता लोक म्हणटा ते भशेन काँग्रेसीन इफेक्टीव ऑपोजिशन दिल्लें आसा आनी इश्यूज रेज केल्ले आसा म्हणून बरें आसा की इन फ्युचर एटलिस्ट दीस पीपल हॅव टेकन नोट ऑफ द कायंड ऑफ ऑपोजिशन दे हॅव ऑफर्ड आनी फुडाराक बरें आसा काँग्रेसीक.
As far as the parties like Goa Forward is concerned or MGP is concerned, म्हाका दिसता आज तांचे जे क्रिटिसिझम जाला ते कोंकणीन आमी जाका कोल्याक द्राक्ष आंबट म्हणटात तशें जाल्लें आसा.
Who will be the chief minister? And if we can have that graph on screen की लोकांक फुडलो मुख्यमंत्री कोण जातलो असो दिसता. This is very important. Dr. Pramod Sawant is on number 1, 25%. Digambar Kamath is on number 2, 18%. Third is a big surprise. Manoj Parab on 12%. Shripad Naik on 8%. No opinion is on 7. Rahul Mamre 5. others 5, and then it goes on. Vishwajit Rane, Vijay Sardesai, we are below 5%.
Margins are very, very thin, and he's just about 25% of people's choice today. Which simply means that in the next 6 months, if there is some sort of a magic that opposition is able to create, you might probably just see a result that's unexpected.
मागीर म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता प्रमोद सावंत has lost a good opportunity. Constant U-turns on different issues, not having a good advisory team to guide him.
I see the Trinamool Congress forming government in Goa. I expect the next elections to be fought between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress.
ओवरऑल जे आमी पयलीं सुरवातेक सांगला की 64% लोक चेंज इन गव्हर्नमेंट जाय म्हणटा तेन्ना
That correlates with this.
येस दॅट कोरिलेट्स विथ दिस.
Today, BJP is the only party that is in a position to form a stable government. At the same time, BJP is the only party that has clear leadership, both at the level of party and government.
डेटा जसो आयला तसो आमी तुमचे मुखार दवरला. ह्या खेपेकूय तेच केला. आय थिंक एवरीबडी हू इज इन अ 50-50 कॅटेगरी किंवा अनसेफ कॅटेगरी, म्हाका दिसता तांचे कडेन वेळय आसा आपलो परफॉर्मन्स सुदारपा खातीर आनीक आत्मचिंतन करपा खातीर. So how many positives you take out of this survey, how many positives you take out of this mood of the state is up to you.